Hi, welcome to the channel. Here we have the Mazda Rx8 that I bought in 2017 and it's been stuck at the back of the yard. We eventually dragged it out where it was sitting since 2017. Had to move about 10 cars out of the way to get it out. Just giving it a quick wash. Looks okay. But we just stuck up on the ramp and look at this. Horrendous. It's so bad. Rust, rust, rust. The body doesn't look too bad. The corner of the bonnet, the rear driver door, the corner, it's only little rusty parts, but underneath is absolutely terrible. Found a compression test done by a company in 2017 inside the car, which I'll show you at the end of the video, the results. So I'm hoping the apex seals are fine. So I've just bought some new leads, plugs and coil packs for it, which I'll be fitting next week, and see what it sounds like, and hopefully it might sort the problem out. We tested a couple of the coil packs and they were completely dud. Here is the paperwork. As you can see, the results there: front rotor, back rotor, which is pretty good things. Okay, stay tuned.